Hello, Joe here from INFINITI of Tacoma. I'm going to tell you about this absolutely beautiful 2015 INFINITI Q50 that we have for sale. This one just came in off lease. The customer's leased many vehicles from us. This is her second, she just leased her second Q50 from us in 2018, and she just turned in her 2015 a little earlier. There's a loyalty program for current lease customers if they do want to get out of their INFINITI a little bit earlier. And that's how we acquired this one. It only has 15,494 miles. One owner clean Carfax vehicle. We do have a complimentary Carfax, very low mileage for a 2015. And this thing is loaded with almost every available option you can get. Doesn't have the sport package, so if you wanted a loaded Q50, but you don't like the harsher ride of a sport package, this is a great one to consider. You have the upgraded leather interior versus the leatherette. Beautiful wood interior trim, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. You have a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation and your 360-degree around view camera. You can change the views. That's good for parallel parking, so you don't scrape up those beautiful chrome wheels, dark tinted chrome wheels this has, which is an extra cost option. The bottom screen is like a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. Power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. Bose steering wheel sound system, blind spot warning, blind spot intervention, so it will steer you back into your lane if there is something in your blind spot. Lane departure warning, lane departure prevention, forward emergency braking, and the forward emergency braking system can actually see in front of the vehicle that's in front of you. So if that car slams in your its brakes, it can hit the brakes before you even know what's going on. Direct adaptive steering. So you have steer by wire, which allows you to take full control over the feel of the steering system. It can filter out unwanted feedback, like if you hit a rut in the road or a bump that usually jerks the wheel, the system will filter that out. It does have a mechanical backup in case there's a total system failure, so you don't lose steering completely, so don't worry about that. And it really is an amazing system. And it also has lane keep assist, which makes small steering corrections for you on the highway to help battle driver fatigue. And it also is great for battling crosswinds as well, if you've ever been blown around the highway a little bit with crosswinds. Tinted windows, dark tinted upgraded chrome wheels. These were about I think like a $1,700 option, and they look really nice. And if you don't like the 19-inch sport wheels, which have a little bit harsher ride, which was also an option, this is a nice compromise and really suits the looks and lines of the vehicle. Tinted windows. And as you can imagine, with such low miles, this thing is in pretty much close to perfect condition. Hardly a mark on it. Features intelligent all-wheel drive, great for the wet, slippery weather. We have in the Pacific Northwest. Built on the Advent front midship platform. This offers sports car balanced handling, but also delivers luxury-like comfort as well. In the heart of the Q50 is the award-winning VQ37 engine. It makes 328 horsepower. It's a very low-maintenance engine. 105,000 mile first major tune-up, maintenance-free timing change, so you never need to worry about the costly replacement of timing belts. Those timing changes are designed to last the service life of the engine, about 300,000 miles. This Q50 is also backed by a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee, so if you're not happy with this Q50, you can bring it back for a full refund within 5 days of the purchase date, just as long as you don't put more than 200 miles on it, and it comes back in the same condition as when you bought it. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.